Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a riding lawnmower. First, we're going to have to start up the lawnmower and drive it around so the engine will get warm.
Five minutes later.
The oil will come out right here. It's located at the bottom of the engine for most lawnmowers. Make sure to place the bucket or container directly under where the oil will come out to prevent it from getting in the dirt. Now we're going to use our oil filter pliers to get the oil filter off. Now we'll screw on the new oil filter. Nice and snug. You don't want it super tight, so we'll just do it till it feels comfortable. Now you'll probably need a little over a quart of oil. So I'm gonna pour the first quart in and then wait for it to settle and just keep checking it every couple minutes until it settles down. Just check your oil every like 3 to 5 minutes after the oil settles, and you'll see if you need more. It wants to be in between the fill lines, so just keep checking it and adding oil as you need.